We are given an array of numbers in any order, and we want the length of the longest run of consecutive integers that appear in it. Here the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4 are all present, so the longest run has length 4, even though they are scattered around. We could sort first, but there is a way using a hash set that touches each number only a couple of times. Here is the idea that keeps it fast. First, put every number into a hash set so we can ask, does this number exist in order one time? Now the clever part, we only begin counting a run at its true beginning. That is, a number whose predecessor, 1 less, is not in the set. From such a start, we count upward, 1 plus 1, 2, and so on, as long as the next number exists. Because each run is walked only from its start, every number is visited just a couple of times overall, and the hash set lookups make each step instant. We drop all the numbers into a set. Then for each number we check whether it is a run start, meaning 1 less is not present. If it is a start, we count how far the run reaches by asking whether the next number and the next are in the set, growing the length each time. We keep the best length seen and return it. Let's build the consecutive run finder live, block by block. Put every number into a set for instant lookups and track the best run length so far. For each number, act only when it is a run start. That is, the number 1 below is absent. From a start, count upward, while the next number keeps existing in the set. Keep the longest run found, and return it at the end. Now, let's test it and hit run. There we go. Even though they are scattered, 1, 2, 3, and 4 are all present, giving a run of length 4. The flow in short, put every number in a set. For each number, if the one below it is absent, it is a run start, so count upward while the next number exists and update the best length. Skip numbers that are not starts. At the end, return the best. Even though there is a loop inside a loop, the inner counting only runs from a true start, so each number is walked over at most a couple of times total. That makes the time order n, and the set uses order n space. 3 reminders. The speed depends entirely on starting a count only at a run's beginning. If you count from every number, you get a much slower solution. Building a set also drops duplicates, which is exactly what we want when measuring a run. And start the best length at 0, so an empty array correctly returns 0.